Hello guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you all my DVD unboxing of Frosty the Snowman and Frosty's Winter Wonderland. Yep, I got this at Walmart last month for a price is $9.96. On top it says Holiday Double Feature. You can see Frosty the Snowman, Karen, Professor Hinkle the Magician, Santa Claus, and other characters on there, as you can see. But hey, Christmas is finally over. So, anyway, here's the front, here's the spine, other spine, it comes with the slipcover, and of course the back. They're all the same, which bonus features which includes the Animagic World of Rankin Bass, original pencil test, commentary by animation historian Mark Evanier, and bonus feature which includes Frosty and the Story of the Snowman. The film was released by SDS, Studio Distribution Services, DreamWorks, and Classic Media. Oh yeah, who can forget? Universal Pictures Home Entertainment and Warner Brothers Home Entertainment logos on there. This is uphe.com, Technicolor. Not rated. Bonus features not rated, not all subtitled. The logos are the same, the characters are the same. Excuse me. So here's the front, here's the spine, and of course the back. Holiday double feature are the same. Special logos are the same. Which I'm not going to read it again. Both Frosty the Snowman and Frosty's Winter Wonderland are 26 and 24 minutes running times. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Oops! Oh no. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. Anyways, we can open this up. Here's the disc 1 and disc 2. Okay, the first disc is Frosty the Snowman, and finally the second disc is the Frosty's Winter Wonderland. And nope, sorry, there is no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let us know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye, and have a Merry Christmas.